So y'all, today we are going to be batch juicing. I'm going to be using my Nama J2 juicer, and we're going to make a whole bunch of stuff. Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, today we are going to be batch juicing. I'm going to be using my Nama J2 juicer, and we're going to make a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm going to make a detox drink, apple juice, and pineapple juice. So we're going to make those three things today. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, welcome back. And don't forget to like this video, y'all, because it'll very much help me with YouTube to push out my videos. So if you would be kind enough to hit the like button on my video, I would greatly appreciate it. So now let's get started. I may montage a lot of stuff because my daughter is sleeping, but we're gonna make it work. And then if anything, I will leave tips down below on the videos so you guys can see what I'm talking about and stuff. But yeah, let's get right into it. All right, y'all, the apple juice is done. Hold on. I'm actually using my phone because my camera died, but this is the apple juice. It made a lot. Like the normal juicer, that thing juice, like it juices it to the core. It makes so much juice. Usually on my old juicer, I would probably only get one of these filled up to the top, but I got this and this. So now I'm just gonna do the pineapple juice. So I'm gonna prep that and then the detox juice. Okay, all right guys, so now I'm on my last juice. My baby don't feel good. I'm on my last juice, which is the detox juice. I almost forgot to hit record, but I already juiced the pineapple and the lemon. So now I'm just gonna do the last piece. I'm gonna do the ginger and the cucumber, which is just a rough chop. So I'm gonna come back once I'm done. All right guys, I am done juicing. Now, even though they all may look alike, they are different. So this is the pineapple juice, this is the detox juice, and this is the apple juice. But yeah, and y'all, that only took me 30 minutes to do all three juices. If I had my old juicer that I was using, it would have took me probably almost 2 hours to do these three juices. So honestly, if you thinking about getting a Nama and you don't have one yet, and you've been thinking about it, I honestly give it a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. It is the best juicer ever. It's so good. Like, I don't even know what ways to describe it. Like, only 30 minutes to juice 3 juices? Like, what? But honestly, it's a big investment. It's worth it. If you think about getting it, get it. It's definitely worth it. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'm gonna close this video out here, guys, and I'll thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.